bars and happy tourists, incredible atmosphere in Benidorm on 10th of July. Thank you for accompanying us once again on our channel Benidorm by Ana, your #1 guide in Benidorm town, Costa Blanca, Spain. We are in Rincon de Loix area, the famous international zone where so many tourists coming from different parts of the world are enjoying their holidays in their favorite bars and on their favorite terrace. From here, we will be heading towards the British street. We'll see what's going on with the bars. It is still quite cloudy, however, the sun starts to come out finally, which is very, very nice, I must say. After 2 days of gloomy weather and some big rain, finally we have our sunshine back, but probably temperatures will also rise up. Oh, it was so comfortable outside, but now the sun will be back and temperatures will rise back again. We are next to the indoor market. This is the shopping center which we love. This place is full of very, very nice and useful businesses. Whether you need a mobile SIM card to top it up, or you need a temporary SIM card here in Spain, whether you need any kind of magnets, souvenirs, cards like gift cards, birthday cards in English or any other language, mostly in English they have though. Or if you want, for example, birthday cakes or typical food like British food, like English food, that's also available out there. Very, very nice place. They have cheap perfumes. They even have a Spanish experience, which is dress up as a flamenco dancer and make a picture. Also quite fun, I must say. And it's actually really, really lovely. Very, very nice place, especially a lot of people visit it in winter when it's slightly chilly outside. That's where people go, and full of businesses. People either love it or hate it, honestly. But we know a lot of you guys who actually love this place. Whenever they're here on holidays, tends to visit it quite frequently. Also inside, there's some of the best money exchange points, which give you one of the best rates in Benidorm town. So if you need to exchange some money, that's also the place to go. Typical magnets here on the outside of the indoor market. Really, really nice ones that mostly say Benidorm on them. Usually, sometimes it says Spain as well, but since we're in Benidorm, mostly Benidorm themed magnets. Really nice, and their price vary from €1 to around 3-4 euros, depending on what the magnet actually shows and how big it is and how elaborated it is. We are on the beginning of the British street right now, and here we have some nice places to purchase shoes, not only made in Spain but other international brands. Really, really good quality shoes. These are like branded options and not the cheapest ones. So if you want something of a good quality to bring back with you home, this is one of the places where you can purchase these. But I also recommend you the shopping alleys next to the street Gambo, which is where the Alehop is located, and the Zara shop in Benidorm. That's the street. Those are nearby are all the shopping streets where you can purchase some really, really nice goodies for a very reasonable price. The Piccadilly British pub out here. People are even without slippers. This is how hot it actually is. It was quite all right this morning. Temperatures went down quite a lot. It was like 29 degrees instead of almost 40 real feel. But now it starts to go higher once again because the sun is shining. Happy tourists enjoying some loud music, some cold, ice cold drinks and beers and cocktails, some mojitos out there. People are having so much fun enjoying the music. And this is the atmosphere we like to see in Benidorm town. This is like a healthy part of holidays here in the area. Really, really nice atmosphere, even though it is just Thursday, but it is a peak season, I must say. So why are we surprised? During the peak season, obviously, there's going to be way more people, and any time of the day is going to be really, really busy. July and August are always like this. There are still some clouds right there in front of us. It stays sunny and then the sun disappears, so it's like partially sunny / cloudy. We'll see, but towards this evening, which is when you will be seeing this video, filmed on the same day as usual for you guys, it should be already almost sunny, which we hope and wish for all those of you who are here. Nearby we have the Sol Pelícanos, I think it's called. Never remember correctly how to say its name, or Pelícanos Ocas. I think it's Sol Pelícanos. This is the hotel from Meliá. This is also the hotel, the famous hotel from Benidorm series, which we all know by now probably. And this hotel, starting from that time when it was shown in Benidorm series, became really popular, and many people are arriving here for the experience and in general because it is located in a very good area, close to all the entertainment, but not too close to avoid all the night music. So many people enjoy this location, and full buses of people are always hopping on and hopping off with their luggages next to this hotel. But it's not the only one. Nearby we have the Ambassador Playa, which is right in front. On the right side we have here the Flash Hotel, which is adults oriented, 4-star superior. This one right here has a giant terrace, which is where in summertime at least they tend to put some entertainment to entertain, obviously, people who are coming here. Someone's having some lovely champagne or sparkly bubbly wine. There's live music right now out there, which is really much appreciated. People love this type of entertainment, and I'm not going to be wrong if I say we enjoy this type of entertainment too. Not for a long time because it's slightly noisy, but still, it is a great atmosphere. People are enjoying it, having fun, and this is something that a lot of the hotels actually do, which attracts many people to their terraces. And this is the perfect example of it. Nearby, we also have the Calypso Hotel. We've shown you this hotel here on the channel not so long ago. Well, it was during pandemics technically, but still you were able to see everything that this hotel has to offer. And this one is from the Server Group Hotels Group. Rebranded, revamped, has a nice style, really colorful hotel on the inside, I must say. And they have this huge terrace, which today looks surprisingly empty. All neat, clean and tidy, just perfect. Put all the chairs, everything looks lined up. But so far, not too many people out here. Maybe towards the evening time, there's going to be slightly more. Now I feel like many people went already towards the beach since the weather is starting to get better and the water and in the sea is still hot as it was. It didn't change. So people are heading there to enjoy some lovely day. And the bars will be busier slightly towards the evening time. Rosamar Hotel continues to receive people. Hopefully in the nearest future we can show it to you guys. We tried our best, but so far we didn't receive any reply to go back again and show it to you guys. So we'll see if we're lucky soon. The Explorers Club here has a lot of offers. $170 for a small bottle of beer. Then we have coffee and brandy offers. 2 pints for €5. That's like $2.50 a pint, which is not bad, I guess. Depends on the size, not sure, but I do think these are quite big. So $2.50, it's not a bad price. Bucket deals, some of them below €10 still. Wow, bravo. Many places right now, many bars in Benidorm, they did change the prices for buckets. And a lot of the times, any single bucket that you will choose will cost you already more than €10. And before, it was all below 10. It was from 7 to €10, more or less. That was the cost. 7, 8, mostly 8, 9 and €10, and the most expensive one was like 11, maybe 12. But now there's buckets for 11, 12, 13, €14. That's like usual price, which I guess if you're on holidays and it's several of you, obviously it's not a big price to pay, but it just depends on each and every single group. Right here we have many more terraces that are not as busy, but we know which one will be busy, and it is, yes, it is of course the Uncle Pets. Uncle Pets is always packed up. Wherever we come here, doesn't matter if it's cloudy, if it's sunny, people are having such a loveliest day out here. Buckets and buckets are pouring and on the tables, on and off, non-stop. People are having fun here, sitting down together with some friends, some group, just to have fun, have a lovely chat, and just sit down in a lovely atmosphere and enjoy their holidays and their day outside. Even if it's slightly gloomy today, even though it's slightly clouded, they have really, really good prices. Frozen cocktails just for €5. That's not expensive at all, honestly. Plenty of good deals, also food to take away right nearby from other place. It's just a great place to be. And people are comfortable. People love this bar. And this is why it's one of the busiest ones that you will potentially see in the area. The clouds slowly but surely are disappearing and the sun will be back in just a question of a few hours, we're quite sure. And people will keep enjoying their evening, Thursday evening, here in Benidorm's Rincon de Loix on the 10th of July. Thank you for accompanying us in today's video. Wish you a lovely day and great holidays, and we'll see you in a new video tomorrow. Don't miss it.